Hi there. So today I'm going to do one of my feathers. I've been asked to do a video on these for some time, so I figured why not. I'm going to be using Grumbacher Dioxazine Purple, Artist Loft Old Gold, Liquitex Payne's Gray, and I'm also going to be using Floetrol with this Slice of the Moon Iridescent Blue Mica Powder. The Floetrol will dry clear, and the mica powder just gives like a iridescent blue sheen, so that should be fun. I've got my canvas coated in white. It's just your cheap white latex house paint, whatever I can find that's cheapest. And all of my paints, other than the mica powder, are mixed with about 50-50 Floetrol to paint, and then I just add water until it's the right consistency. I don't really have a measurement. And for my silicone today, I'm going to use the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. Make sure it's the serum, because it's got dimethicone in it, and that makes the cells. So, I'm just going to add 2 drops into the mica powder and Floetrol mixture. I actually haven't used the mica powder in a feather before, so we'll see how that works. I've used it in Dutch pours. It's gorgeous. And then I'm also going to add 2 drops into the purple, the dioxazine purple. And that's it. Give this a shake. It's been sitting for a bit. Here comes the part where I could use a squeeze bottle, but I don't have a squeeze bottle, so. Shake you. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. There we go. Alright. So I think I'm going to start with the purple. No, first. I haven't used this purple in one of my feathers, or such dark colors, but I wanted to give it a try, so first I just put a line of the purple, and then, ooh, my white might be a little thin. We'll see how it goes. And then I'm just going to put some of the Floetrol with the mica powder. It won't look like much until it's dry, the mica powder and Floetrol, but it'll add a very interesting effect, hopefully. My plan. Oh, this is a bit thick. All right, we might have a problem here. We'll see how it goes. And then a little bit of the Payne's Gray. That's a lot of color. Okay. Now what I use for my swiping is just a piece of paper towel. I just fold it up a little bit so it has a bit of structure, because then I just wet it so that it's got a little bit of floppiness to it, and I just sweep out in sort of a feathery way, I suppose. Sometimes it takes a couple of goes to get the color fully out there, depending. It's going to be a bit golder than I planned. It's going to be too much white on it. And go back and add colors as needed, so. I think I might need to add more purple. Such a dark purple, I thought it would take over, but it really hasn't. But I love what this purple does in the cells. And that's without torching or anything, so. I'm not gonna add more of that gold since it's so chunky. That's what you get for not checking, I suppose. So I'm gonna add a bit more purple, but I'm not gonna add the one with the silicone because I feel like I have enough silicone on there already. And yeah, so I'll get a clean bit of paper towel. Skim it across the top. Lost a lot of my gold, although I can see it in the cells, so that should be pretty. Let's just give it a torch and see where we're at. Maybe good on the outer parts. I just need to work on the stem. So I'll be adding that in. Usually I just use whatever my dark color is and one of the little stir sticks. And I'll just kind of add it in. Paint. But we won't tell anybody, so it's okay. My first video, so I hope everybody can see everything and I'm explaining things okay. Feel free to ask questions if I missed anything. Oh sure, just make it drop. It's okay. It never happened. Got my daughter here, she's smiling at me. I made the 16-year-old laugh. All right. It's purpley, I want it purpley. I like it. So now I just like to sort of give a little definition to, I mean, I guess it's not really very, very feathery to do this, but I just like to bring a little bit off and add a little bit of definition to the sides. And then after that, I'll blow out the edges so it gets really soft and wispy. Your feather. I'm not sure if that mica powder is going to show at all, but as I said, it's really hard to tell until it dries. A bit of a bald spot there. Oh well. It'll fill in. little ball there, but I don't think it'll show once it's dry. I think it's just because I can see it. I'll just put the lids on these before I make a mess, because I'm known for that. So now, blow it out. I like to use a big wide straw for that. As you can see, I reuse them. I just wash them and reuse them over and over. Because, you know, straws. I made her laugh again. Yay. Probably I'll stand up for this. So excuse me if my head gets in the way too much. Anywhere it gets too far out or anything, I just tap it and it usually softens it up again. This one's pretty soft at the edges anyway, but there we go. On it. So I'm gonna add a little white to the edge so that it will help the paint pull down over the edge a bit. Because I did this a little while ago, so that's already starting to dry on the corners. I do like to have some over the edges. It's just really pretty. Give it a turn so I can get to blow the other side easily. Sure, like that. Take it off right away. I feel like if I tried to blow it out, it would go too far. There we go. Touch it. What do you think, Emily? It's got teenager approval. Alright, let me just give it a torch because I noticed a few air bubbles. I lost some of my gold, but that's okay. That's another thing that tends to pop when it's dry. It kind of fades a little when it's wet. So let me try to take you down and get some close-ups. If not, I will just put them at the end. I'll put some still shots at the end. My daughter's afraid I'm going to put her in the video, so she's running away. Now, excuse the glare. I love this Grombacher Academy purple, dioxazine purple. It just makes these gorgeous cells, even without any silicone. Like I've gotten cells like these guys in here in Dutch pores and stuff with this stuff. So, and my floaty edges. Hope I'm not making anybody sick with my shaky hands. And there we go.